Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you're most welcome. Consider hitting the subscribe button down below and join this gang. So in this video I want to show you some of the things that I've bought I would say since late last year and early this year. Yeah, so let's get started. I'm just gonna make juice first quickly, and then we'll hop right into the video because this juice is bomb. It's a way to start. If you want to start a weight loss journey, this is perfect for that. And if you just want to eat healthy, drink healthy, this is one way to do it and to start the year with. So yeah, let's go to the kitchen and do it. I made this green smoothie yesterday and I didn't put a banana, so I tasted and thought I'll just redo it in the morning and blend a banana. So I'm just gonna put it here. This has an entire mango. Let me show you how big the mango is. This is how big the mangoes are. These are from my village, my dad's and mom's shamba. There are these very sweet mangoes. Anywho, so I blended this. I also put celery, I put mint leaves, and I'll put the name right here. So I'm just going to blend. Oh, and a pineapple. So I'm just gonna add a banana shortly. So here's the banana that I want to add. Since it was in the fridge, much better. I already had my breakfast, so this is just something to keep me going for the entire day without eating because I'm trying to slim. I'm going to eat maybe later on at around 5-6 and then sleep. That's how you lose weight and faster. So I'm looking the way I'm looking because I'm just in the house today. This is Edera, very free, and I'm in the house. Kyla is in school and Lila is down playing, and my husband is working. So yeah, I'll just film some of the things that I've managed to buy since last year and this year that I haven't showed you, and then show you this other recipe that I was making. So today, no makeup, no nothing, just me. We're going to put this away. I wanna show you what I've gotten. I don't know what I should start with. Maybe the glass bowls that I told you guys about, and these were only 50 bob. 50. These glass bowls are 50 bob, or rather I got them for 50 bob in KAMUKUNJI. I don't know if they were clearing the stock, but I don't think so because there were so many. But I got 4 of them. These are amazing and they are heavy. These are so heavy and they are Starlock. They are heavy, and these I can put my fruits or even have ice cream in it, even soup, but I don't think this is a soup bowl. But since it's my house or your house, you can do whatever you want to do with it. I think this is amazing, amazing. And for 50 bob, don't forget the price. That's what I'm insisting on. The price is amazing. So all this, what, 200, like what? Anyway, let me also show you this Scarlett. It's a hand mixer, comes with 2 of this, and the hand mixer itself, and this. So most often I use this. So I think this also comes in handy when you're making or mixing your dough. Pretty cool, makes work easier. So this was, right now I think I've seen so many shops selling it at 1,000 bob or 800. I bought mine at 1,500. Still in KAMUKUNJI. This also in KAMUKUNJI. I don't know how to explain the place where I got them, but it's just opposite Stamol, just opposite, and they sell the likes of basins just outside. So you go inside, they have plates, they have spoons, they have cups, they have like everything inside there. So you'll just see them because they are in an open space. This is so good. So I also got this, had a lid, but I don't know what happened. So this, which is quite huge, I think it's 1 liter or 750 if I'm not wrong. I am not so sure, but I've seen so many pages selling this. At how much? At 800. I got this for 250. It's an oil dispenser. So this is my oil, what's remaining. I didn't want to add and then come and show you guys, but I do add it to the brim. It doesn't leak, and then so when I'm storing it, I just pick the lid that came off and then cover it so that the dust doesn't get into the oil. But this is it. It's so cute. I think, in my opinion, it's quite cute and it does the job. The other one that I showed you from the other KAMUKUNJI haul fell. So unfortunate, it broke. That was ceramic. This is glass, and has this handle. It's good, does the job. So I also got some of this still from KAMUKUNJI. Now this, you go, how do I say this? I got this from I don't know the mall, but it's just ahead of Stamol. If you know where Stamol is, you kind of like face it. Get. So I got this. I think this was 500 bob, and my daughter is back home. I got 3 of this. There's something else that I also got. It's huge. This butterfly decor, wall decor. So this one looks like this. This is shiny. These 2 right here, no, all these are shiny, and then the rest are plain but very cute, very cute. This was 250. If you happen to see these being sold by hawkers on the road, I've seen several on the road. They sell these for 700. So save your money, save your coin. It's 2021. Save your coin. Something else that I've gotten are these. If you're a natural natural hair lover, then you know these disposable shower caps come in handy. Since DIYing certain conditioners, or you just wanna put this on for a bit of time, then this will work perfectly, and they fit any type of head or hair. So these, they are usually a pack of 12, and I got them for 150. Of course, wholesale. These were 150. So I also have this scrub. It's a coffee scrub. Oh my gosh, this thing works magic. If you're struggling with dark underarms and inner thighs, try this. It comes packaged differently. You can find the exact same in a container, like a round container, and this was 250. I got from Dubois Road. That's where I got it, and it works perfectly. And when I tell you it works, trust me, it does work, because I had been struggling with dark underarms. I've been using it for my dark underarms, and this works perfectly. You all should try this scrub. And also, if so many people struggle with this side of the arm being darker than this side, try it and you'll see. Try it with these parts that can let you know if you're allergic to something or not. So trying it here, and then wait for about 3 to 5 days, you'll see a change. This is a game changer, y'all. This coffee scrub. So last week, Poster sent me a message telling me to go and pick these packages. I haven't opened, so I'm gonna open them right now and see what is inside. I don't remember what I bought from AliExpress. Let's open. I paid for it. If you watched a previous video of how I ship and shop from AliExpress, then so many of you asked me, or rather I forgot to mention how much Poster charges. They charge 100 bob for every small package. So this I paid 100 bob, and this I paid 100 bob. They aren't expensive at all. I haven't shipped anything big, so I don't know how much they charge for bigger packages. So these are, let's say, hair bands or rubber bands or whatever they are. These are 100 pieces. There's brown, there's sort of a purple, there's gray, there's beige, there's navy blue. I wonder why there's no black. I also happen to be doing my daughter's hair, and I do it a lot. It's elastic. This is good. This is good as compared to rubber bands, and these are reusable. So yay, finally here. Let's see the other one. These are my bonnets. I got these bonnets from AliExpress. This ain't for me, but my daughters can use them. I bought 2. I think they were like a mini and a bigger one for Mary and smaller one for baby. But they are the same size. I'm gonna give them to my daughter, so yeah, that's that. Oh, there's one more thing. I got this watch. Oh, there. I got this watch, which is so cute. I think it suits my style, and it's an everyday watch. I'm just gonna go and have it reduced, but it's so cute. I've always wanted a black watch, and this will do just that. So yeah, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, or rather even clicking to watch what I bring to you guys. I really do appreciate it, and I hope 2020 we do more stuff together. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe down below, comment, like, yeah, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.